In this video we're going to make an amazing Spanakopita that you can make also yourself. Instead of buying, just make it. Easy and simple, twice crunchier. So, let's start. So in this video we're going to make a beautiful Spanakopita. We're going to make it with kale and spinach together, like a mix, make it a little bit more earthy and a little bit stand out from the other one that you probably saw. Also, feta and walnuts together, grease flavors, onion, garlic, parsley, regular stuff, salt, pepper, and the phyllo. We're going to make it like rolls, and after that cut it and bake it in the oven. So, we're going to start with the spinach. Doesn't matter what we're going to start with, spinach, kale, everything is going to go together. So, just take it and cut it. Spinach, you can do also with the steams. It's going into the filling, also some flavor. Kale, a little bit tough, the steams are, let's say, 3 streams. So, we're not going to use them. Just take the kale from the steams and chop it. Mix everything together. Just take with the fingers and take the steam off. It looks a lot, but it's not, It's going to shrink very much. So, onion, we're going to slice, with the garlic that we have here, like 4 or 5 cloves. We're going to crush, chop it very fine. Parsley, bring it together and chop. So we're not going to need the cutting station. So, in the cooking station, a pot for the greens, a pan for the onion, garlic, and walnuts. We're going to start with the walnuts. Doesn't matter. 6, 7 walnuts in the pan. Pot 8 out of 9. We really want it to become hot. We're going to put the oil and after that the greens with a little bit salt and pepper. Walnuts, we want to roast them. After the walnuts are roasted, we're going to roast in the same pan, after taking them out, the onion and the garlic. So, when the pot hot, vegetable oil and the greens. We're going to put the greens and close with the lid straight away after putting salt and pepper. So, take a nice amount. When you close it, shake it. When it's like this, nice green color, charred a little bit on some sides. Going to take it out. Ooh, beautiful. Walnuts. Don't forget, pan back, pot back, oil, and same process. Very nice. Walnuts, a little bit roasted, take them out also. Pan back on the heat, increase a little bit the heat to 8, oil, and the onion with the garlic. We're going to roast it, golden it, and put it with the greens. You can add a little bit olive oil, give it a nice caramelization, also a little bit for the flavor. When the onion and the garlic caramelized, add it to the greens. Beautiful. And we're going to let them chill now, completely. If you want, you can already mix the walnuts with the greens, but usually I'm waiting until everything is actually cold to do that. So, when it's cold, let's start filling it. Now, when the greens already chilled completely, we're going to build it, Phyllo already outside, defrost. Usually when you defrost it when you buy it from the store, put it in the fridge and let it defrost overnight, instead of taking it out, and after that it's going to be much difficult to work with. So, to the greens, we're going to add 1 egg, all the nuts, parsley, give it a little bit freshness, and all the feta. I'm going to crumble it. If you want, you can also cut it into cubes. I prefer to crumble it, and after that it's going to be amazing. So, mix everything So when you have the mix, put it aside. Phyllo, we're going to open some oil on the first 2 sheets, and on the third one, it's going to be the outside. This way, it's going to be much crunchier and nicer. Oil. Another sheet. Press it. Flip it over. Yeah. Now, filling without the oil and start rolling it. Again, try very tight. When you come into the end, oil on the edge and roll it. Press it a little bit and oil on top of it. Flip it over. Same. Beautiful. Edges. Just put it under, press it a little bit and transfer it. Beautiful. When you have everything done, oven already preheated to 190 degrees Celsius or 380 Fahrenheit. We're going to give them like 10 minutes in the oven, and we're doing 3 layers of Phyllo. The 2 that we are flipping after that are becoming the ones that are touching the filling and going to absorb all the juices that come from the filling. So when you're going to take it out, it's not going to be too soggy. Yeah. The other one that we are brushing like type of twice, because first time we're brushing, we put in a layer, flipping it, filling, rolling it, and putting more oil on top like now. So on the first layer, that is the outside, you have double oil, the oil outside and the oil on the between the first and the second layer. This way, it's going to be much crispier and much nicer. We're going to add also sesame raw. We're not going to toast them because the oven is going to do it for us. Yeah. So we're going to put them on top, and we're going to cut them already like type of baklava. Yeah. So it's not going to have too much steam and everything inside, and some of it is going to evaporate, some of it is going to be soaked into the dough. This way, it's going to be perfect. So let's put it into the oven and see the final result. This one, very crispy. So, what is left to do? A little bit olive oil and touch of honey. I'm telling you, the honey here will make it from bomba to super bomba. So, olive oil. Oh, so just time. Put it on a plate and enjoy. Beautiful. This how you make an amazing type of Spanakopita with amazing result. So make sure to let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Also, if you want to stay in touch, give it a thumbs up and hit the notification bell. So till next week, thank you very much for watching. I'm Andre. This is ThinkOFood.